Mazda put all of their traditional qualities together and then added a hybrid powertrain to create a perfect compact SUV. If you've been waiting for something that doesn't force you to choose between driving excitement and trips to the gas station, the 2026 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid is the answer you've been looking for. While most hybrid SUVs feel sluggish and disconnected from the road, this one borrows Toyota's proven technology and wraps it in Mazda's class-leading handling, creating something that's genuinely hard to beat. Proven and capable powertrain. When Mazda decided to bring electrification to the CX-50, they didn't reinvent the wheel. Instead, they turned to the most trusted name in hybrid technology, Toyota. The system finding its way into the CX-50 Hybrid is the same setup that's been powering millions of vehicles around the globe for decades. Toyota has spent years perfecting this technology, refining every component to deliver a balance of power, efficiency, and long-term dependability. At the heart of this system sits a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine working in harmony with electric motors. The gas engine operates on the Atkinson cycle, a design optimized for fuel efficiency rather than outright power. But that's where the electric motors step in, filling the gaps and ensuring you never feel shortchanged on performance. Together, the setup delivers a combined output of 219 horsepower, which is more than enough to make the CX-50 Hybrid feel responsive in everyday driving. One of the biggest concerns with any new hybrid is how it handles real-world driving conditions. Nobody wants a system that feels sluggish when merging onto the highway or hesitates when you need to make a quick pass. That's where Toyota's decades of refinement pay off. The front wheels are driven by the gas engine and one electric motor, while a second electric motor takes care of the rear axle. This creates a mechanical, all-wheel drive system that responds instantly to changing road conditions. The CX-50 Hybrid is going to deliver the confidence you need whether you're navigating wet pavement or tackling a snowy commute. Reliability is another area where this powertrain shines. Toyota's hybrid systems have proven themselves over millions of miles, showing up in everything from the Prius to the RAV4. Owners report minimal issues even after years of use, and the technology has earned a reputation for requiring little more than routine maintenance. This is a setup that doesn't just work, it excels. But all that power means nothing if you're spending a fortune at the pump, which is exactly where the hybrid system really shows its value. Excellent fuel economy. Efficiency has always been a pain point for the gas-only CX-50. The base 2.5-liter engine returns around 24 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway, while the turbocharged variant drops to about 23 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. Those numbers aren't terrible for a compact SUV with standard all-wheel drive, but they're not class-leading either. The hybrid changes everything. The CX-50 Hybrid achieves around 38 miles per gallon combined. That's a significant jump, roughly 40% better than the base gas model and nearly 50% better than the turbo. For drivers who put serious miles on their vehicles, those improvements translate to real savings at the pump. If you're commuting daily or taking frequent road trips, the hybrid is going to pay for itself over time. When compared to rivals, the CX-50 Hybrid holds its own. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid achieves around 41 miles per gallon combined, while the Honda CR-V Hybrid delivers about 40 miles per gallon. The CX-50 Hybrid is in the same ballpark, and that's exactly where it needs to be. For a vehicle that prioritizes driving dynamics and premium appeal, matching the efficiency leaders is a major accomplishment. Of course, great fuel economy is only part of the equation. You still need a cabin worth spending time in, and that's where Mazda really separates itself from the competition. Premium interior. The cabin of the CX-50 Hybrid immediately sets itself apart from typical compact SUVs. Mazda has built a reputation for crafting interiors that feel more upscale than their price tags suggest, and the CX-50 is no exception. Soft-touch materials dominate the cabin, from the padded dashboard to the door panels. Even the lower trim levels feel thoughtfully designed, with textures and finishes that rival vehicles costing thousands more. The design itself is clean and uncluttered. Mazda avoids the temptation to cram every surface with buttons or flashy trim. Instead, the layout emphasizes simplicity and functionality. The infotainment screen sits prominently on the dashboard, angled slightly toward the driver for easy visibility. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the system responds quickly to inputs. Physical knobs and buttons remain in place for climate and volume controls, which is a welcome touch in an era where too many automakers are burying everything in touchscreens. The front seats are supportive without being overly firm, and they offer enough adjustability to accommodate a wide range of body types. types. In higher trims, features like heating, ventilation, and power adjustments make the experience even more comfortable. Cargo space is competitive, offering around 31 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 56 cubic feet with them folded. But a premium interior is only half the story. The real magic happens when you actually get behind the wheel and see how this SUV handles. Class-leading handling. Driving the CX-50 Hybrid reveals one of its greatest strengths. This is an SUV that feels far more engaging than most of its competitors. Mazda has always prioritized driving dynamics, and that philosophy is alive and well in the CX-50. The steering is precise, the chassis feels balanced, and the whole vehicle responds to inputs with an eagerness you don't typically find in a compact crossover. The suspension setup deserves credit for much of this. Mazda engineers have tuned it to strike a balance between comfort and control. The ride is firm enough to keep body roll in check during cornering, but it's not so stiff that every bump rattles through the cabin. The all-wheel drive system contributes to the handling as well. Because the rear axle is powered by a dedicated electric motor, torque can be distributed instantly based on grip levels. This creates a more dynamic feel, especially when accelerating out of corners. Steering feedback is another area where the CX-50 Hybrid stands out. Mazda has resisted the temptation to make the steering overly light or disconnected. There's enough weight to feel natural, and the feedback through the wheel gives you a sense of what the front tires are doing. Too many modern SUVs isolate you from the road, but the CX-50 keeps you connected. And when you pull up to a stoplight, people are going to notice because the exterior design is just as impressive as the way it drives. Elegant yet aggressive styling. The CX-50's exterior design has been turning heads since it launched, and the hybrid version carries forward the same striking appearance. Mazda has managed to blend elegance with a rugged edge, creating a look that feels both refined and capable. The proportions are spot on, with a slightly longer hood and a roofline that slopes more dramatically than traditional SUVs. Up front, the CX-50 Hybrid features Mazda's signature grille, flanked by narrow LED headlights that give the vehicle a focused, determined expression. The lower fascia includes black cladding that hints at the CX-50's off-road intentions, while the overall stance is wide and planted. From the side, the CX-50's coupe-like roofline becomes more apparent. The window line rises toward the rear, creating a dynamic profile that sets it apart from boxier competitors. The wheel arches are pronounced, and the available 19-inch wheels fill them nicely, giving the vehicle an aggressive stance. Black roof rails and optional two-tone paint schemes add to the rugged aesthetic. What makes the CX-50's design particularly effective is the way it balances contradictions. It looks upscale enough to fit in at a luxury hotel, but rugged enough to handle a weekend camping trip. The styling doesn't lean too far in either direction, and that versatility is going to appeal to a wide range of buyers. But looking good is one thing. The real question is whether you can actually afford all this capability and style. Pricing. One of the most appealing aspects of the CX-50 Hybrid is the value it represents. Mazda has positioned this vehicle competitively, ensuring that buyers aren't paying a massive premium for hybrid technology. The base CX-50 Hybrid starts around $35,000, which is only a few thousand more than the gas-powered equivalent. When you factor in the fuel savings and the proven reliability of the Toyota hybrid system, that price difference becomes even easier to justify. Higher trims push the price upward, with fully loaded models likely approaching the mid-$40,000 range. But even at that level, the CX-50 Hybrid is going to offer equipment and refinement that rivals often reserve for their premium tiers. Features like adaptive cruise control, a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium Bose audio system are all available. The long-term value proposition is strong as well. Hybrid vehicles tend to hold their resale value better than gas-only models, thanks to the ongoing demand for fuel-efficient options. Combine that with Toyota's proven reliability, and the CX-50 Hybrid is likely to remain a smart investment for years to come. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid addresses every concern that's been holding this SUV back, combining Toyota's bulletproof hybrid technology with Mazda's signature driving engagement and premium cabin quality. With 38 miles per gallon combined efficiency, 219 horsepower on tap, and handling that outshines most competitors, this hybrid proves you don't have to sacrifice fun for fuel economy. Add in competitive pricing, and the CX-50 Hybrid becomes one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market. But there are several hybrid alternatives on the market. If you're in the market for one of them, make sure to check out our video about the best and worst hybrid SUVs you can buy today. All of them look great on paper, but not all of them deliver in reality.